Here we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer with a fuel-efficient 2-liter engine and 205,000 kilometers. This vehicle features air conditioning, CD player, powered windows, powered locks, and powered mirrors. This vehicle is selling for $5,950 plus taxes. We offer many financing options, including our in-house financing plan. All of our vehicles come with a Manitoba Safety, a 3-month, 3,000-kilometer powertrain warranty, and a 1-week, 500-kilometer check engine light warranty. To view this vehicle, come down to 1429 Clarence Avenue. Our phone number is 204-229-3838, or you can visit voiceauto.ca.